Tell me again who the next leader is gonna be.
Did you come to kill me?
No. I thought of something you'll hate even more than that. I hate you. Truly. You're too full of yourself.
For the arm.
2 little boxes. Which one holds the finished product? I'll just take both.
That's mine.
You know what I think, Overhaul? Someone so obsessed with erasing quirks shouldn't have one of their own. Don't you agree? If we don't cut that off, your whole body will turn to dust. Just like that, you're helpless. A weak, quirkless loser. And all the fruits of your labors belong to me. Now you don't even have a thumb to suck on. You're doomed to watch from the sidelines as your dream falls apart. Let's do our best.